Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package was sent to me by Robbie, but as per usual, I can't remember or don't have any idea of what's inside. It was likely something sent as a response to my recent community post about knives I was looking for review. So, Robbie, thank you very much for loaning me one of the knives on my list. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me. Check out my Patreon. There's a link for Patreon. We have Friday exclusive content. We have a good time. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's get in here. What do we got? Packing material and a box. Okay, what's in here? I think that is a note. Yes. Okay, first off, here is his Instagram. Right there. RRS3 OOC or DDC, something like that. Let's take a look at the actual note. Hey, Metal Complex, inside is the, oh, yes, okay, very cool. Yes, wonderful. Okay, let's take a look and see what we've got here. Yes, your knife inside. Clever. Yeah, so I think this is the new, and these are available. I will link these right down below for you guys. I think it's Boose Blade Smoke Mini or 2.0 is what this is. I reviewed the original Smoke a while ago. Does this have any information on it? Okay, well, here's their information. But I will provide links right down in the description. Now, I don't know if there's a 2.0 that's larger and a smaller one, but I'm pretty sure this is exactly what I was seeing on the Blade HQ website. I really like green anodized titanium. If you guys are wondering, yes, this is ridiculously lightweight. It's also very smooth. You can totally get the reverse flick. Let's weigh it. Normally I save this type of stuff for the review. This is not a review. This is the first time I've ever handled it, so it's impossible, if you're new to my channel, it is impossible for somebody to review something right after they unbox it. That doesn't make any sense. I spend 2 to 3 weeks with each of these knives that I unbox before I even begin to put together my thoughts. Anyways, let's switch there, ounces. Okay. Yeah, wow, 1.48 ounces. This is definitely off the charts for you ratios people, right? Very cool. M390, carbon fiber, and titanium. Nice carbon fiber, look at that. Looking for voids. No, okay, wow. Captive pivot, lock bar insert, 3D milled pocket clip. Very nice lockup. What are we looking at for the stop pin? I think it's internal. Is it riding with the blade? It is. See it right there, that bar right in there? Riding on a channel. Centering, dead on centering. Very nice. And no detent lash, no pivot. Wow, yeah, this is nice. It's going to be an expensive knife. It's still going to be an expensive knife, right? People, there's no, I mean, it never fails. It's small. It's a small object. Why is it so expensive? I don't know. Wedding rings are small objects, and they're thousands of dollars, right? So that's dumb. Sorry. People get offended when I say that the way of thinking is dumb sometimes. But yeah, I mean, the size of things, right? It's time and energy, right? There are a lot of elements. We don't need to talk about that here, but for the object that it is a very well-made object. It's going to be worth it or not worth it to, an infinite number of people. It just depends on what you value, But the Smoke was a popular model. I imagine this guy will also be popular. Pretty cool. If you don't like small, skinny knives, then you probably won't like this. But if you want to check it out, like I said, there's links right down in the description. I'll use this knife to gesture. They're sprinkled about down in the description. Anyways, thank you very much once again, Robbie, for sending this in for me to take a look at. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that middle complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.